Alright, you've got a new OnePlus 5T. Congratulations, you've migrated your data, set up Face Unlock, and took some pics with a dual camera. But wait, there's more. Let's take a look at 8 hidden OnePlus 5T features you might have missed. Ever been blinded by your phone at night? With Auto Night Mode, you'll never forget to turn on Night Mode again. Just go to Display under Settings and access your Night Mode settings. Within the Night Mode settings, you can choose to turn on and turn off Night Mode automatically at a specific time. You can set it to trigger when the sun rises and sets, or to a custom time range. Let's talk about buttons. The OnePlus 5T's 3 buttons, Home, Recents, and Back, can all be customized. Start by opening up Settings and hitting Buttons. Here you can swap the position of your Back and Recents buttons. You can also assign long press and double tap actions. For example, your Home button could be set to open shelf when it's long pressed, or have your Back button open the Assistant with a double tap. One of our favorite features is the ability to double press the power button to open up the camera. Combined with our new Quick Capture feature, you can snap a picture instantly just by double pressing the power button. Ever sent a private message to someone from the office or a work message to a friend? With Parallel Apps, you can keep business and pleasure separate. To get started, head on over to Apps under Settings. Once there, tap Parallel Apps. You can turn on the toggle for the supported app you want to duplicate. Once you do, a notification will appear telling you that the Parallel app has been created. You can find the duplicate app in your app drawer with the Parallel Apps logo in the bottom right corner of the icon, right next to the original icon. You can log into the duplicate with a different account and maintain a separate profile. So we moved the fingerprint scanner to the back to make room for the larger screen, but we also added some new features. Go back to Settings and open Gestures. There you can turn on Swipe Fingerprint for notifications. Just swipe down on your fingerprint scanner to open your notification shade even when you're in other apps. Then just swipe up again to close. You can also use the fingerprint scanner to take a picture in the camera app. Just turn on long press to take a photo. We're all about giving you more options to help you make the most out of your OnePlus 5T. On to photography and of course portrait mode. You can take beautiful portraits out of the box, no customizations required. But we've added a few more options to portrait mode to help you get even more out of your shots. Beauty mode gently evens out blemishes in your portraits to make them even more stunning. Or in my case, just okay, which is why I'm just doing a VO for this video. For natural portraits, just turn beauty mode off. Another awesome trick is that you can set the OnePlus 5T to take a photo using the default settings and portrait mode at the same time. Just swipe up in the camera UI and tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Here you can turn on Save Normal Photo. The OnePlus family is full of travelers, so we've added a new Places feature to our Gallery app. Open your gallery and press the Places button in the bottom right corner of the display. A map will open up which places your photos in the locations they were taken. You can zoom in or out to show more or less detail. That's all from us. If you've got any other tips or tricks, share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.